mo, Chantel, sumama ka na lang, alagaan ka dito.
Tsaka, hindi ka ba inaalagaan? Kasi sabi, alagaan ka rito.
No, I mean...
You were two of the most recognizable pieces in the Mobile Legends scene. What was the exact turning point or moment that made you both decide to leave a game you helped grow and risk everything to start fresh with Honor of Kings?
Parang nung time na yun, na-realize ko na ano pa ba yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. Kasi for the longest time, di ba, 7 years nga with MPL.
Tagal.
Na-try ko na lahat, para naikot ko na lahat ng roles. Tapos I keep questioning myself, who am I outside MPL or outside ML? Kasi minsan may makakasalubong ako. Hindi naman lahat expected na kilala ko. May magre-react, uy, si Ate Chantel, tas siyempre naririnig ko may tenga ako di ba? But yeah, tas biglang maririnig ko yung follow-up na side comment is, sino yun? Tas sasagutin ng isa, yung shoutcaster sa MPL.
Kaya kang ganyan na.
So parang lagi ko tinatanong yung sarili ko nga, ano pa yung kaya kong gawin outside Mobile Legends? Tsaka parang ang dami na rin na dumagdag na factors. Basta pagkagising ko na lang, parang hindi na yata for me ang MPL and Mobile Legends. Pero I'll always be thankful to it.
I'm always going to be grateful for how my life has turned out. I believe I at least contributed something, right?
For sure.
And it became part of my identity. To a point na, to be honest, when I was thinking of quitting, I cried. Umiyak ako.
Ako din.
Umiyak
Malala.
ako.
For
Kasi
sure.
it's like, what's gonna be me after? Pero nga may nagsabi, di ba, who am I without? Anyway,
gusto ko yan.
hindi ko naman talaga gustong umalis nung umpisa. Pero kung hindi ka na masaya at may mga nangyayari,
yeah.
kung hindi ka na masaya, I don't wanna lose myself staying somewhere na hindi na ako masaya. But I'll always be grateful. Always be grateful. Like, who are you to say that I was never grateful?
Yeah,
But I'll carry the lessons with me. Thank you for the opportunity. I'll always be grateful. And for that, I will not release whatever it is. Yeah.
Yun talaga yun.
That's out of my gratefulness. That's out of my gratefulness. And I'll keep the happy memories. Nung umalis naman siya, sabi ko, alam mo, Chantel, sumama ka na lang, alagaan ka dito. Alam nga naman anong gagawin ko. Like, wala, di ba, wala siyang magiging trabaho. Siyempre, di ba?
Siyempre, kailangan kumain. Pero kasi,
Tsaka-
hindi ka ba inaalagaan? Kasi sabi, alagaan ka rito.
No, I mean, instead of nothing.
Thank you, Mara.
I mean, no, you can interpret it the way you want, but I mean to say that, like, kesa wala, dito ka, punta ka dito.
Tsanganin yung alis mo kasi parehong malapit na yung season nila.
Oh, basta no time na yun, parang nagising na lang